Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today is episode 1001. Thank you for continuing to watch. Yeah, so 1000 I did like a few weeks ago, and then I filled up the gap between then, and yeah, so yeah, I've done 1000 episodes. That's crazy. But anyways, I found this at the store this morning. This is Muso since 1983? 1953. Muso organic ramen vegan shoyu. That sounds interesting. Freaking expensive. I think it was like $4 at our local Safeway. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's take this. This is the noodle block. Drop it in. And it's gonna go for 4 minutes. And then it's got a liquid sachet. They call it the concentrated. They had a funny name for it on the label. It's like super concentrated seasoning or... No. Turn the heat off and loosen noodles while adding the concentrated flavor packet mixed thoroughly. The concentrated flavor packet. That's concentrate. Yeah. Anyway, let's do our dealy deal that we do every day. Momofuku Endo speaks. This is the list of quotes by Momofuku Endo, the guy who invented the instant noodle. And there's a lot in here. There's over 300. We're on 187? No, that was yesterday. Well, the last one I did was 187. I have a great dislike for the seniority system. 188. It's because you're all working on a salary that you can't come up with independent ideas. Sorry. So I got something neat today. You want to see? Check it out. Now I can drink my Coke out of my Ramen Raider mug. That's weird. Weird to drink Coke out of a mug. But, you know, I really like one quote in particular out of this book that I always read quotes out of. And I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. But, think and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. Right there. I was like, I got a deal. All you had to pay was shipping for a coffee mug from T-Mobile, and I'm like, what'd I get? I'd get my logo on one side and that quote on the other. It came out good. Yeah, so Coke. And anyways, got out walking this morning, did that stuff, and just got done with Miles' school. It's 22 after. I'm gonna try to crank out 2 reviews today. But yeah, they redid the ethnic food section at our local grocery store, and they've got some stuff. I tried a Lee Kum Kee variety, chow mein bowl, Hong Kong style chow mein. Freaking awful. I mean, just nasty stuff. And it was $5 for the bowl. Now they're on sale for like, what, $3.50, or like $3.47 or something like that. It's like, No, I wouldn't want to. Did something just happen? It's still recording. I saw that. I saw that. It's doing something weird. I don't know. But the noodles are done regardless. I'm seeing numbers tick by on here, so let's see what we got in this. I'm trying different modes for the video on this, and I think this is the one I'm gonna stick with. This is the super wide, and it seems to come up with the best angle. Although there is that kind of fisheye effect, but it's not as pronounced as the 360 cam was, because that was an actual fisheye. The lens on this one is actually flat. You know, it's not a fisheye. This one's more of an effect rather than an extreme. So, supposed to be shoyu, vegetarian or vegan. Vegan shoyu. I'm, you know, if you're a grocery store and you want to stock good, tasty stuff, hit me up. You know, because a lot of the time I see products, it's like, oh, my distributor had it, I'll give it a try and see if people like it. It's like, you know, there's certain ones that nobody's gonna like. There's no way that they'll like it. Or if they'll like it, they'll say they like it, but in their head they're going, I don't really like it. My mom used to do that. Yeah, what do you think of this? Oh, it's really good. Do you want to have this again? Oh, God, no. Good chew on those noodles. However, the broth looks nice. Tastes pretty good too. Okay. That's not bad. That is really not a bad grocery store vegan shoyu. I'm impressed. Whoever's doing the picks, good on you. Except for that Lee Kum Kee stuff was nasty. Which really shocked me because we love a lot of Lee Kum Kee stuff. So if you're into the whole vegan thing, now's the time to turn off the camera or your show, because that vegan part of things is just about to go away. So first off, I've got an egg. I have a feeling it's not going to look too pretty. I think it's kind of a tired egg. Meaning, tired egg. I need more eggs. Well, we got more eggs, but we don't have any soy sauce. This one's been brewing for a while. I'm guessing it's gonna be just like way too dark, but that's okay. You know me, it's not like I'm gonna eat it. That's a rarity. Come on. I think our fridge is too cold. I think this egg is not presentable. Oh, it's presentable enough. I don't know, what do you think? It's pretty dark. It. I ain't gonna eat it though. You ain't gonna get me to eat that egg. Let's see, are there any more in here? I don't think there are. And I need more soy sauce too. That's kind of a bummer. Alright, so soy bag, bye-bye. Okay, back to business. So we're gonna add in the fun stuff. So yeah, I guess if you see this Muso brand, they've got a miso there as well. And I don't know, I didn't feel like miso in it. I didn't feel miso. I wasn't feeling it. These days, it's like, yeah, I'll do up stuff, but when it gets to the pricey stuff, I try to gravitate towards something that at least tastes good, so I can tell you it's good, rather than getting stuff that I know is going to be bad. But then again, I need stuff for my bottom 10 list. I haven't done that up yet this year. Well, by the time you see this, maybe I will have, but that's next on my list of things to do. Right now, it's February 23rd, to give you an idea of when I am. This is when we are now. And we're gonna do a little bit of sesame seed. You know, this isn't all that out of my normal wheelhouse of stuff to put on. And we're gonna do a little bit of shichimi right across its face. And a little bit of oil. I've been thinking about making century eggs. You guys like century eggs? I do. I love century eggs. That was like the first time I had good century egg was I went to Malaysia, and it was like one of the first things we had as soon as we landed. We went out to this fancy restaurant, and they had a guy pulling noodles, hand-pulled noodles. And they had this big sign up talking about hairy river crab. I swear that's what it said. They've got so many weird, interesting things in Asia. I'm telling you what. That's why there's so many people that go over there and do food videos. And I highly recommend it. If you like doing food videos, go to Asia. But anyway. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Cool, that was number 1001, so next you'll see number 1002, which will be... It's from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. It's from a company called Toei, T-O-E-I. And this is non-cup kitsune udon. Alright, bye-bye.